Hey, I got the market statistics for August of 22 compared to our August right now of 23 in the town of Trumbull. So listen, our days on market, it's down 29% over last year. Our median sale price right now is down 18%. Our average sale price is $656,000, if you can believe it. Our active listings right now, of course, they're down 29% this month of August compared to last August when they were already way down. And our units sold this year, well, this month we're down 9% opposed to last year. So again, I just want to reiterate, and I've done it many, many times before, the market is still very, very active. We have a tremendous amount of buyers out there, and we need home sellers, we need inventory. That's our problem, folks. So if you're interested in finding out what your house is worth and how much equity you have, give me a call. I'm Jay Cannone. You can reach me at 203-209-2529, or you can email me at jay@jaycannone.com. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.